I'm recording.
Just woke up. I didn't show you the worm, did I?
What's a bunny do?
Runs as fast as it can. Runs like a bunny. Hops like a bunny.
Kind of weird though, because the chick kind of stops, and then it just keeps going sometimes.
What?
The chick, one time it went like halfway across,
Chick,
and then
chick?
it stopped.
Oh, the chick, yeah.
And then it stopped, and then it just stopped, and then it just kept going after a little while. Really weird.
You need a bigger surface for these.
You do.
But this pan is very convenient. I mean, I'll bake on it too. Oh, come on, Dad. You can do better than that. Come on.
The dog's better. That dog is better.
No, this one works fine. It's just this thing is just slightly. Yeah, there we go. You just gotta put it in the right place. Oh, maybe not. It was working fine just a minute ago. Come here, you.
Camera shy.
Let's see, over here. It's too crispy. All right, come on. Do it. Come on. You can do it. Jeez. Here, learn by watching. See, this guy's got his act together. Look at that. See, perfect. He was doing it perfectly just a short while. Yes, there you go. Come on, guys. All right. Cut. Thanks, Sarah.